how do you get your hair like this? This is how you get your hair like this. It's not fixed yet, but a little bit curly and a little bit wavy. Okay, I'm gonna show a demonstration on my little sister. Go put one on. Go. Well, let me just say the steps first. First, you have to put your hair, like when you're out of the shower, don't put conditioner on, because I don't put conditioner on. And you, when you get out, you let it dry a little bit. So when it's damp, you put like you scrunch it like with gel and stuff. And then you leave it like that, and then you pick it up with with some ponytail, and you make it really, really tight, and then you leave it on there for like a couple of hours, or like if you're gonna want this for the next morning, like really, really curly, then you leave it on like all night, and then your hair comes out like. Well, I just left mine on for like an hour or two. I'm about to re-scrunch it and stuff, but I'm going to show a demonstration on the system. And if you want to know how to get my bangs, let me know. I cut my own hair. All this, cut on my own. Oh, that's my sister. Well, hurry up. Okay, I'm going to figure out how to set this thing. You need gel, hairspray. I use this hairspray. I'll use C-Mega hairspray. I don't know if you can see that. This little. I don't like to use mousse because mousse doesn't hold my hair, and I like to use gel. So let me go get that real quick.
I can get online and I can like go to Facebook or the different
hair never comes out. If I would have showered last night and did it. And I use this gel. LA looks cheap but worth good. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do my sister's hair. Come here, Leah. Where did I put it? Just use mine. No, I don't like yours. Hurry up. I'm gonna put gel at the back of my hair. I'm just